Hi guys, it's Simon. Welcome to this new AI Radar. The AI Plus Society Initiative and the Center for Law, Technology and Society have announced the publication by LexisNexis Canada of Artificial Intelligence and the Law in Canada, edited by Dr. Florian Martin Barito and Dr. Teresa Scassa, bringing together some of the leading Canadian scholars in the field. The peer-reviewed collection captures the diversity of law and policy challenges faced in Canada when it comes to artificial intelligence. It offers insight into how existing laws might apply, what gaps are present, and what issues law reform should address. A piece on the Harvard Business Review argues that augmented intelligence is the step for the future of intelligent work. Because of cost-cutting strategies and narratives, businesses today are in a stage where machines are often introduced as the new super-employee. That may leave humans ultimately in an inferior role to serve a machine. An essential element of a truly intelligent type of future work, however, means that we do expand the workforce where both humans and machine will be part of, but with aim to improve humanity and well-being while also being more efficient in the execution of our jobs. So, augmented intelligence is indeed collaborative in nature, but it's also clear that it represents a collaborative effort in service of humans. In a piece on the conversation, Professor Han-Luis Moniz, Professor Pereira, Tom Leinaerts talk about the results of their study on AI regulation, to regulate or not, a social dynamics analysis of an idealized AI race. They state that there are hundreds of AI races heading towards different objectives. Some research centers are racing to produce digital marketing artificial intelligence, for example, while others are racing to pair artificial intelligence with military hardware. Some races are between private companies and others are between countries. The variable they found to be particularly important was the length of the race, the time their simulated races took to reach their objective, a functional AI product, for example. When AI races reached their objective quickly, they found that competitors who they coded to always overlook safety precautions always won. Those AI races that are due to end the soonest will be the most important to regulate, they found. IBM's Rob Thomas details key AI trends in shift to hybrid cloud. There are three major trends that IBM sees happening in the market, Thomas says. One is around decentralization of IT, the second is around automation, the third is just around getting more value out of data. Those are the three megatrends that they invest in against. How does that manifest in the IBM strategy? In three ways. One is they are building all of their software on open source. The second is around ecosystem. The third is a little bit more tactical. IBM announced earlier this year that they've completely changed their go-to-market strategy, which is to be much more technical. That's what they've heard customers want. They don't want a salesperson to come in and read them the website. They want somebody to roll up their sleeves and actually build something and co-create. According to 90% of business leaders surveyed in the new Oracle's Money and Machines 2020 global study, AI-based robots will replace finance professionals due to the pandemic. In particular, AI robots can best improve finance work through invoice creation, cost-benefit analysis, and fraud detection. 1/3 of the leaders believe this will occur as soon as 2025. Specifically, in India, 83% of consumers and 88% of business leaders said they trust AI technologies more than people to manage financial decisions, the highest of any country. In Asia Pacific, the figure was 76%, globally it was 67%. While trust in humans is broken, we can clearly see robots filling the gap, which will only accelerate after the pandemic, said Oracle's Guru Prasad Geonkar. Okay guys, it's all for today. See you next time. Bye.